In the mid-90s, this little blue box promised to kill the floppy disk forever. It was fast, it was sleek, and it could store 100 times more data. But just a few years later, the zip drive vanished. What went wrong? Welcome back to Signal Lost, where we explore the tech that time forgot. Today, we're digging into the story of Iomega's zip drive, a storage solution that once ruled schools, offices, and home PCs, until it didn't. In 1994, the world was still using 1.54 M floppy disks. You could barely fit one image on that thing. Enter the zip drive, or 100 meg of storage in a portable, durable cartridge. That was revolutionary at the time. Priced under $200, it gained traction fast, especially with graphic designers, software developers, and schools. You could back up your entire system on a few disks. No more piles of floppies. By 1997, Iomega had sold over 25 million zip drives. Big brands like Dell and Apple even offered them as built-in options. There was almost no competition. CD burners were expensive, and external hard drives weren't practical. Zip was the portable storage format, but the cracks started to show. First, the infamous click of death, a mechanical failure that rendered both drive and disk useless. Iomega initially denied it, then faced a class action lawsuit. This eroded trust quickly. Meanwhile, prices stayed high. A single 100 megabyte zip disk could cost $10 to $20. CDRs, by contrast, were rapidly getting cheaper. In 1999, CD burners became affordable. You could burn 650 megabytes for under $1. USB flash drives arrived shortly after, offering better durability and no moving parts. Iomega tried to respond with 250 megabyte and even 750 megabyte versions of the zip drive, but it was too late. Compatibility issues and lingering reliability problems sealed its fate. By 2003, zip drives were essentially obsolete. Iomega's stock collapsed. The company was eventually bought by EMC in 2008, then quietly absorbed into Lenovo years later. Zip drives faded into tech history, once dominant, now forgotten. So, what killed the zip drive? A mix of hardware failure, bad timing, and better tech arriving too fast. But for a brief moment, it really was the future of storage. What other forgotten formats do you remember using? Leave a comment below, and if you like this dive into tech history, subscribe for more videos every week.